Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 gaming tokens by market cap. We're going to start with, coins that are 100 million market cap, right? Market cap 100, 126, 109. And then we're going to start with GMRX, followed by POLIS. Put your hands up. UOS Ultra, Sweat, Verasity, Victoria, REEF, Root, and then we end it with PlayDapp at number 10. Let's get straight into it. GMRX is freshly out of the oven, so there is just nothing much for us to do. It feels like we're in kind of a short-term downtrend, so I suspect we are in some sort of a consolidation floor. Gaimin. Next will be POLIS, Star Atlas down, POLIS USDT. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up. Okay, so for POLIS against USD, it looks really, really sweet. Why would I say that? Okay, if you look very carefully, here is a symmetrical, completing a symmetrical triangle. Can you see these boys and girls? Looks good. Looks good. I'm expecting it to hit higher. And you can see that we are above the skinny pink line. And as long as you're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for Star Atlas DAO. The next immediate target is $1.31. If anything, this is a wave 2 that's about to complete, and wave 3s are usually the longest, never the shortest. If you look over here, this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Completing wave 1. And we are consolidating for a wave 2. Wave 3 is going to be... And after that, we're probably going to get a wave 4. And then we end with a wave 5. So I'm anticipating POLIS to go up to potentially $6 freaking dollars. We're only at 37 cents. So there's still a long way to go for POLIS. 131. Looks good, boys and girls. It really does look good. So, yeah, again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias. Over here, you see volume coming in. Right, the wheels were accumulating. Bam! We're out. Again, accumulation is happening over here. So I suspect there will be a breakout not too far away. Gods Unchained. Gods against USDT. We are for Gods. Okay, let's look at it on KuCoin. So for Gods Unchained, same freaking thing. You can see that we are above the skinny pink line. You can see we are in a consolidation, right? Not exactly the same because this was a higher high. Maybe if you look at it on a different exchange, let's say Bybit. Is it different? No, okay, it's the same. Let's just assume that this is flat, right? So we are consolidating. I can count 3, 4, 5. That's it. We continue higher. And Gods Unchained potentially could be heading towards $4 with 31 cents. POLIS is also around 30 cents, I think. Let me see. Yes, it's 37. It's 31. But Star Atlas DAO, POLIS, has much more to go. Still, if you were to be in Gods Unchained, you will be profitable as well. I would expect us to head towards $1 from here, right? But because of this higher high, if I had to pick one between Gods Unchained and Star Atlas DAO, I'll be picking Star Atlas DAO. Not to say that Gods Unchained can't go any higher, but yeah, both are still expected to be heading towards the upside once the consolidation is done. The Ultra, US against USD. Let's look at it on Bitfinex. So for Gods, Ultra, we have two targets over here. One is at 82 cents, one is at $1.45. We're at 22 cents. We're above the skinny pink line. There was a very nice kind of an inverse head and shoulders, right? But because it's slanted, so that's why I don't really like slanted supports. Because you can break, you can come back down. But the point is, we're above the skinny pink line. We're expecting continuation towards the upside, right? You can also readjust the resistance line to look like this and consider this as an inverse head and shoulders. Breakout! We head towards 82. Looks good though, it looks good. Sweat economy, sweat. Where we sweat against USD. Anything for us? Okay, we're also above the skinny pink line, which is good. So we're anticipating continuation, right? You can see here, something like a symmetrical. Bam! We're out again. You're seeing something like a symmetrical again. So we're expecting another pump to come for sweat economy. The thing is, it's not exactly what I would consider as a high quality tradable chart pattern. So yeah, but we're anticipating more upside. All right. The trend is your friend. We're above the skinny pink line. So we're already in a bullish trend for sweat economy. Verasity against USD. Here we are for Verasity. Anything for Verasity? Oh, we have a target over here, 1.9 cents. We are still above the skinny pink line. So we're anticipating continuation towards the upside. So like I was saying, I don't really like this slanted type of a support resistance, right? Once we break it, we could still come back down. And we'll be in, potentially in kind of a limbo. It's like, hey, yo, bro, is this a break or is this like a retest? Not sure. Not sure. Bam, we go back up. Or, not sure. Zoop, we go lower. Say, yo, bro, what's this? Yeah, but anyway, we're anticipating a resumption towards the upside as long as we're above the skinny pink line for Verasity. Victoria VR against USDT. Victoria VR is on KuCoin. It's on Gate as well. Let's look at it on Gate. Okay, Victoria VR looks good. Again, we're above the skinny pink line. Very nice accumulation over here. You see this? Resistance 1. Boing. 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 Oh, we're out. Consolidate. Oh, we're out again. Something like a falling channel. Falling channels usually break higher. Above the skinny pink line, remain with a bullish bias for Victoria VR. But the thing is, how much higher could we go? Again, there will be resistance at around 12 cents. And after that, I will expect it to clear. And then we'll hit and probably take out these highs here at 26 cents. So for 2.8 to potentially, yeah, it's 800%. So it feels to me like there is still much more to come for Victoria VR. REEF against USDT. Here we are for REEF. Same thing, above the skinny pink line. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for that asset. And for REEF, it looks bullish. Again, we're in consolidation. How much longer are we going to consolidate? We're not too sure. But we're above the skinny pink line, so we're expecting more upside for REEF. Again, resistance areas, 1.7 cents, around there. So right now we're at 0.003, so this could be another 400%, yo. We're in the midst of a bull run, ladies and gentlemen. We're expecting more upside for gaming coins. Root Network, Root against USDT. Here we are for Root. Okay, Root is an outlier of all the coins that we have seen. Ladies and gentlemen, this looks like a left shoulder, head. Could we get a right shoulder, head lower? I don't like what I'm seeing. Let me go to the weekly. See this? Shooting star. You see these, boys and girls? This is what you call a shooting star. I can form a nice support over here. But we're in a bullish trend though, so not necessarily we're going to break it. We could still go a little bit higher before we come back down. Right. So, but anyway, Root is a next coin for us. PlayDapp! PDA is relatively new. So, yeah, here we are. Does this look like a bullish reversal to us? No. Could we reverse from it? Of course. Could we continue higher? Of course as well. You could see that there's a huge surge in volume, right? Which means that the whales are accumulating. And we are at the kind of the bottom. Not exactly, but you'll know if it's the bottom once it starts heading up, right? All we know is that accumulation is happening. The whales are already buying PlayDapp. You see this? And PlayDapp is only at 74 million market cap. Let's say if it does a 10x, that's 740, yo. Can we do that? I would love it if we could see a chart pattern first before doing anything for PlayDapp. But yeah, for us, for now, it will be a next coin. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10 gaming coins under 100 million market cap. And if you have not checked it out yet, yesterday we did the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Go check it out now. See you in the next one.